Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Judy and today we are going to make Shakoy. Shakoy is a kind of twisted donut coated with white sugar or a combination of sugar and cinnamon. We will just melt the butter in a medium heat. And then, before that, Shakoy is commonly sold in the streets, but nowadays you can buy at any bakery or at the mall. So do not transfer the butter into a bowl like what I did here. Just use the saucepan to activate the yeast. I already added the iodized salt. You can use fine salt if you want. And then we're just gonna mix it a little bit, and then we're going to add the sugar. If you want your Shakoy dough to be a little sweet, just add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. And we're just going to mix it, and then we are going to add evap milk or evaporated milk. No specific or particular brand, you can use whatever is available in your area. And after that, we are going to keep mixing until sugar and the salt are dissolved. Then we're going to add egg. Okay, and then after that we are going to add the yeast and just stir it. The yeast, I just bought it at the nearest bakery in our area. So we're going to activate it for 7 to 10 minutes until frothy bubbles appears. After that, after that we are going to add the flour to the yeast mixture, and we're just gonna mix it using a spatula. If you don't have spatula, you can use a ladle or a big spoon. I will not advise using your hands because it's really sticky. We are going to cover this with a cling wrap and let it rest for about an hour until the dough doubles in size. And then we are going to remove it from the bowl and transfer it on a clean flat surface. So just lightly flour your hands so the dough won't stick to your fingers. And then we'll just dust the surface with flour, and we will start kneading the dough just until it is not too sticky, maybe about 5 to 8 minutes, with occasional flour dusting. I believe I use about 3/4 cup of flour just for the dusting. Okay. Then we will just make a round shaped dough and put it in a bowl and let it rest again for an hour maybe. And cover it with cling wrap. We are just going to divide the dough into 4, then each log cut it into 3. Okay, roll the dough on your kneading table until it reaches about 10 to 12 inches in length. Bring both ends together and twist. Repeat this process with the rest of the dough. We will cover this twisted dough and let it rise for another 30 minutes before frying it. So we're just going to boil oil. Make sure your oil is about half of your container of your pan, because the Shakoy will expand once you fry it. So you drop it slowly into the boiling oil, so deep fry for about 2 minutes, and then keep turning it. Limit to 2 dough per batch. Just make sure that your pan is bigger than your dough. I combine sugar and cinnamon powder to coat the shakoy. You can also use just plain sugar. And then, or also you can use a clean paper bag and put the sugar and the shakoy together. Then shake, shake, shake until the shakoy is well coated. So these are the shakoy that I made. This recipe yields about 12 pieces. So the left part is coated with sugar and cinnamon. The right side is coated with sugar only. So a quick review of on this recipe. This is best eaten while it is hot. Once the shakoy is cooled, dough starts to feel denser. Not hard, but just dense in texture. Leftovers can be put in the freezer for later consumption. This recipe again yields 12 pieces of 10-inch shakoy. Print the recipe, link can be found below in the description box. Watch my other cooking videos and don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like my Facebook page, and see you again next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.